She speaks multiple languages, and in the Philippines, it's very common for people to do that. So it's so different. Oh my gosh, it's so. See, as you could see, it's not easy.
Lola, you say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, everyone, welcome to another episode of Polyglot Paradise. Today we have a very, very special guest. We have my grandmother here, and in the Philippines we say Lola. My Lola is here. She's going to be the guest of honor today. She's gonna do some awesome things. So my Lola, like many people in the world, she speaks multiple languages, and in the Philippines, it's very common for people to do that, just like how it is in other places of the world. So today we're going to be showcasing 3 different Filipino languages in the Philippines. These are found from all over the Philippines. She speaks all 3 languages as her native language. So it's really, really interesting to see. Today we're just going to be comparing very basic sentences and very basic questions, so you can see for yourself the difference there is in all these Filipino languages. Another thing is you're going to see how each language is very different from each other. There are a lot of similarities, but a lot of these languages, they are mutually unintelligible. That means people who speak only one usually cannot understand the other, and you're going to see why. So right now you have to translate a few words for me. So in Tagalog, how do you say, where are you going?
Tagalog. Saan ka pupunta?
Multiple languages. Yeah. Saan ka pupunta?
Saan ka pupunta?
Saan ka pupunta? Yeah. So that's how you say in Tagalog. So saan means where or to where. Where, right? What about in Bisaya? How do you say, where are you going?
Asa man ka paingon?
Asa man ka paingon? Yeah. So where is asa?
Asa ka paingon?
Asa ka paingon. You see the difference? It's very, very different.
Bisaya.
Bisaya. How about in Maranao? How do you say, where are you going?
Anda ka song.
Anda ka son.
Anda ka song, aki.
Anda ka son. Anda ka son. Anda ka son. So, as you can see, what is the similarity between these 3 languages? There's the ka, which is you, but everything else is like so different, right? So if you speak only one, you really cannot understand the others. If, like I said, they're very mutually unintelligible. Okay, Lola, if you want to ask someone, what are you doing in Tagalog? What is it? What are you doing?
Anong ginagawa mo?
Anong ginagawa mo? That means, what are you doing? Anong ginagawa mo? How do you say in Bisaya, what are you doing?
Unsa may imong gahimoon?
Unsa man imong gihimoon. So that's how we say it in Bisaya, right? And in Maranao, it's, what are you doing?
Anto na pisuan ka.
Okay.
Anto na pisuan ka.
Oh, it's gonna be Antone pusuan ka. Oh, it's so hard. Antone pusuan ka. So we have anong ginagawa mo? What's this? Bisaya?
Asa ka paingon?
Oh no, what are you doing?
Ano?
Unsa imong
gihimo?
Unsa imong gihimo? Anong ginagawa mo? Unsa imong gihimo? And
Anda ka. Anto na pisuan ka.
Antone pusuan ka. So it's so different. Oh my gosh, it's so. See, as you could see, it's not easy, right? What we're doing is not easy. She speaks all of them as a native language, and in her head it's clear, but for me, I'm struggling here. Okay, so the next word is very, very important. Very nice. Actually, not a word, sentence. It's
I love you.
How do you say I love you in Tagalog?
Iniibig kita.
Or?
Mahal kita.
Yeah, mahal kita. So, if you want to say to somebody you love them, you say mahal kita. What about in Bisaya, in Cebuano?
Gihigugma ko ikaw.
Oh, say that again, Lola.
Gihigugma ko ikaw.
Gihigugma ko ikaw.
I love you.
I love you. That's very long, Lola. Gihigugma ko ikaw. Gihigugma ko ikaw. And what is it in Maranao?
Pagkababayaan ko sa ka.
Oh,
Pagkababayaan ko sa ka.
pagkababayaan ko sa ka.
Kababayaan ko sa ka.
Kababayaan ko sa ka. Okay, so as you can see, it's very, very different, the different languages. In Tagalog, it's
Kumain ka na ba?
kumain ka na ba? In Tagalog, in Cebuano, it's
Nakakaon ka na?
nakakaon ka na. And in Maranao, it's
Yakakan ka aki.
kakan, ha?
Yakakan ka aki.
Miyakakan ka aki. Miyakakan. Miyakakan.
Yakakan ka.
Miyakakan ka aki.
Okay, oh.
Iman to?
Uway, miya pasad.
Oh, very good.
Uway na, yes, miya pasad.
Oh.
Na, I'm eating my
Oh.
dinner.
Who is that? In Tagalog is sino bayan, right?
Sino ba yan? Oh.
Sino bayan?
Kinsa mana sa Bisaya.
Yeah, in Bisaya, Cebuano, it's kinsa
Mana.
kinsa mana. And in Maranao, it's
Anto na uto.
Anto na uto.
Anto na uto.
Anto na uto. Cat. In Tagalog is
Ay, Tagalog pusa.
pusa. Pusa. In Cebuano, Bisaya,
Iring.
iring. In Maranao, it's
Bedeng.
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 Bedeng. Bedeng ang bedeng akin.
Sa bedeng akan. Bedeng.
Bedeng akin. Bedeng. Okay, so as you can see, it's very, very different, right?
That was very good. Very good, Lola. Say something to my viewers.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yes.
Good. Good.
Okay, good.
Mana.
Humana.
If you like the content of this video, make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos on the channel. I have videos on several other languages such as Ukrainian, Russian, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. Plenty of videos on my channel for you to check out and binge.